Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to write a program. It can be a C or a C plus program, but we are going to discuss about the logic. How to write a program to implement the circular linked list. But before starting with circular linked list, what is a linked list? A linked list is a sequence of data structures which are connected together via links. Linked list is a sequence of links which contains items. In the linked list, there are some important terms to understand the concept. There are two terms, that is, one is the data, another one is the next. What is this data? Each node of a linked list can store a data, and that is called as an element. The next is nothing but it contains a link to point to the next node, and it is defaultly called as the next. So a circular linked list, there is a small variation between the linked list and the circular linked list, in which the last element points to the first element. So the normal simple linked list becomes a circular linked list when the last element points to the first element. Both singly linked list and doubly linked list can be made into a circular linked list. An example: in a singly linked list, the next pointer of the last node points to the first node. Just see here, the first node, this is the starting node. And this node has two parts. One is the data, another one stores the address of the next node. So this address, it points to the second node. The second node, it has a data and the next node pointer. Similarly, the last node, the next pointer is pointing towards the first node. Then this linked list becomes a circular linked list. Now let us see a small program how to delete the nodes from the circular linked list. So this is just a main program. Here we are just displaying the menu for the program. First thing, we should have a node. So add the node. Then you display and see how many nodes are there in the circular linked list. Then there are three ways you can do the deletion. Delete at the beginning, delete at the end, delete the alternate nodes. So we are going to use a switch case. If the user's option is case 1, it is first you have to insert the nodes to the end. We are going to create a new circular linked list. If the user's option is 2, it will display the total number of nodes in the linked list. Case 3 is deleting the first beginning of the circular linked list. Case 4 is deleting the end last node. And case 5 is deleting the alternative nodes starting from the first. And case 6 is exit from the option. And the default case is for invalid. Now we have to start with the program. First, can I declare the structure of a new node? New node, it should have one is the data part and another is the link which points to the next node. So struct node, inside I have int info and the structure of the another node it is pointed. Second is I have to create a new node. The first one is just a declaration. Now let me create a new node with the data. So new node is created with a variable temp. The node temp info is the data and it points to the null because this is the first node which is created. That's a new node which is created and that node temp is returned back. This is how we insert each node at the end. First, from the user, we should get the integer data type, elements, accept it. You call the create node by passing the data. Immediately, this function will create a node and the data will be passed into the info part and the next part will be made as a null. Next, I am checking if head equal to null. Then head is made as a ND. Head is pointing next towards the head. Else, this temp will be treated as the head node and that pointer will be pointed to the null pointer. And this is the logic for inserting the node at the end. Similarly, how will we delete at the beginning? So delete at the beginning is, first we should see which is the head node. Using a loop, we can delete at the beginning. After deleting the first node, now the second node should act as a first node. So for that, we have to do the alteration in the pointers. The first node's pointer is pointing to the second node, right? So that will be made as a head hereafter. And the current pointer, it is pointing to the second node. This is how we can delete an element at the beginning. Deleting at the end is just a simple logic. You keep on moving from the head node to the next node, next node, next node. You have to stop in a place where the last node's next is pointing to the first node. So you are going to keep on traveling while the next of the current pointer is not equal to head, you keep on traveling. Once you reach the last node where the head is pointing, the next is pointing to the first node, that time you have to delete that node. This is the logic of deleting at the end. Deleting alternate nodes is nothing but using a for loop, all the even number of nodes we are going to delete it and then reassign the pointer back to the next links. So this is how we are going to do it. And finally, we want to display all the elements in the linked list. So how to do that is, we are taking the head pointer and assigning it to F, while F to next is not equal to head. That is, the last node will point to the first node. So I should not repeat again and again. So it's not equal to head, you display all the elements. If it is equal to null, then we have to stop and we have to come outside. So this is the way of how to display the whole linked list. Now let us see a demo of the program, how the program executes and how we are going to get the output. See, in the code blocks window, I have written the header files first, then I have declared the structure of the node, then I'm creating a new node and inserting the elements into the node. Here we should have a check. If there is no elements in the list, this is the first node we are going to create. The meaning is the head is equal to null. If the head is equal to null, then your new node will be treated as a head and that will be acting as a first node. If already some nodes are there, then the head will not be null. That time you have to go to the last node and add the existing node to the end of that. And the next one is deletion. So the deletion at the beginning, deletion at the end, and deleting the alternate positions. So the same codings which I explained you in the PPT, the same I have given you here. And finally, the display function is called. And main function, it links all the methods which we have written. So now let us see the output of this window, output of this program. So see the left side, here the menu is displayed. First option, let me give with 1. Add end node, that is add the node at the end. So 10 I am giving. So it has inserted the element. Again I'm inserting one more element. I'm trying with 20. Now let me display. So see here, the starting node is 10, the next node is 20, and the 20 is again pointing to the 10. This means it is a circular linked list. Now let me insert one more element, that is 30. So now my node has, my list has 3 elements, 10, 20, 30 and 10. Now let me delete the first element at the beginning. So my option is 3. If I give 3, automatically the 10 will be removed and now the 20 will act as a head node, 30 is the next node and 20 is the again a circular linked list, it should be rejoined. So now let me display and see the answer, it is 20, 30 and 30 is again linked back to 20. Now we have to delete at the end. So let me go for the option 4. So now which is the end node? 30 is the end node, 20 is the head node. So now I'm giving 4 option. Let me try to display the nodes. See here, 20 is linked to 20. So that is only one node and it is pointing to the same node itself. So this is just a circular linked list. If I want to go for the option 5, deleting the alternate nodes, first let me insert 3 elements into it. So let it be 30, again let it be 40, again let it be 50. So totally how many nodes are there? 20, 30, 40, 50 and again 20. Now let me go for the option 5. So it should delete the alternate nodes. See here, let me display the nodes. Now 20, 40, 50 is there. The in between 30 is getting deleted. So this is how the alternate nodes are getting deleted. So with this, the circular linked list concept, whether you understood, my friends? So I'm stopping here and I'll continue with the next program in the next session. Thank you.